Reasons why you need to take our lamp clock. Aside from staying organized with a built-in pen holder and card holder, this lamp clock charges your mobile phones wirelessly in 15 watts. Made by eco-friendly material, wheat, and cork, it can charge any devices using extra USB and Type-C port, while the integrated digital clock keeps track of time to ensure you stay on your schedule. The lamp clock has three different light features, choosing from white, warm, and natural light to suit your mood. At the same time, you can control the high and low light mode by pressing and holding on the same touch sensor. In this area, you can change the suitable time clock format in 24 or 12 hours. So why do you need a lamp clock for your office and bedside table? Because it's not just a lamp. It's a charger, a clock, a desk organizer, and an eco-friendly addition to your lifestyle.